Used 2016 Acura I L X, $19,900. 22,904 miles. Finance. $374/month. Contact seller. Area code 708-360-4164. Carvana, Chicago, as soon as next day delivery. Seller's notes. Carvana certified includes 150-point inspection. We put each vehicle through a 150-point inspection so that you can be 100% confident in the quality and safety of your vehicle. This inspection includes everything from tread depth of tires to thickness of brake pads to exterior paint quality to Bluetooth compatibility. No accidents. We do not sell cars that have been in a reported accident or have frame or structural damage. Premium detail. We go the extra mile so that your car is looking as good as new. There are a lot of specifics that we want to list here. We wash, clean, buff, paint, polish, wax, seal, but trust us that when your car arrives, it is going to look sweet. Basics. Fuel type. Gasoline. Exterior color. Dark gray. Interior color. Graystone. Stock. 20001798081. Drivetrain. FWD. Transmission. 8-speed automatic with auto shift. Engine. 2.4 Li 416V die-dock. VIN. 19U2F73 Georgia 002964. Mileage. 22,904.